कैसे हो Zavarians?
Can you people give us a loud cheer?
सुहानी, माहौल तो सेट हो गया, लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ इकट्ठा क्यों हुए हैं?
तुम्हें नहीं पता?
नहीं ना सुहानी।
ओफो, चश्मा होते हुए भी तुम्हें नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है। पीछे ध्यान दो तो पता चलेगा।
अरे वाह, दिवाली सेलिब्रेशन।
सिर्फ दिवाली नहीं, छठ भी।
What an energetic morning. The glow on your faces is exactly matching with the Diwali diyas.
Truly, a very warm, cheerful welcome to one and all present here. I am Suhani of BBIT 3rd.
और मैं नायक जनसंचार का छात्र। सुहानी, प्रोग्राम की ओर बढ़े?
हाँ, जरूर।
To begin this celebration on a spiritual note, we have a mesmerizing prayer dance by Xavier Dance Club. Give a big round of applause.
That was absolutely divine, and what a praise and devotion.
Indeed, a perfect start to our celebration.
और अब थोड़ा मनोरंजन के साथ एक संदेश भी। ज़ेवियर थिएटर स्टूडेंट्स लेकर आए हैं एक स्केट, जो त्योहार के साथ एक सामाजिक संदेश भी देगा।
Get ready for some laughter, awareness, and a whole lot of festive fun. Let's do welcome our very own Xavier Theatre Club.
बेटा उठ जाओ, आज दिवाली का दिन है, जल्दी करो, हम लोगों को अयोध्या के कनक भवन भी जाना है।
अरे माँ, बस 5 मिनट और, बस एक राउंड खत्म करके आए।
अरे वाह, हर बार का यही 5 मिनट का बहाना, जल्दी करो वरना अयोध्या के लिए लेट हो जाएंगे।
अरे यार, हार गया, आ रहा हूँ। अरे यार, आज तो दिवाली है, हीरो बन के तैयार होना पड़ेगा। एलेक्सा, प्ले द सॉन्ग।
रेडी हो रहा है या कॉन्सर्ट दे रहा है? पूरा मोहल्ला सुन रहा होगा। अभी तक रेडी नहीं हुआ?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, जा रहा हूँ।
स्वागत है आप सभी का अयोध्या के कनक भवन में। कहते हैं ये वही स्थल है जहां माता सीता और भगवान राम ने अपना गृहवास किया था। कहा जाता है कि जनकपुरी से विदाई के समय माता जानकी को उनके पिताजी राजा जनक ने ये कनक भवन उपहार में दिया था। स्वर्ण सा चमकता ये भवन जो कि उनके प्रेम और मर्यादा का प्रतीक है।
प्रणाम पंडित जी।
खुश रहो खुश रहो, आप सही मुहूर्त पे आए हैं। आइए पूजा प्रारंभ करते हैं।
माँ, लेकिन भगवान राम ने रावण को हराया कैसे, और हराया ही क्यों?
मैं बताता हूँ। रावण लंका का एक बहुत ही पराक्रमी राजा था जिसने भगवान राम की पत्नी माता सीता का अपहरण किया था, जिसके कारण एक युद्ध शुरू हुआ।
प्रिय, ये कितना सुंदर स्वर्ण मृग है। अगर आप इसे ले आए तो हम इसे अयोध्या ले जाएंगे।
ठीक है देवी। लक्ष्मण, मैं इस मृग के पीछे जा रहा हूँ। मेरे पीछे सीता का ध्यान रखना।
आप किसी प्रकार की चिंता न करें भैया, आप शीघ्र ही निकलेगा। सीते लक्ष्मण, सीते लक्ष्मण।
लक्ष्मण, सुना आपने? आपके भैया किसी संकट में पड़े हैं। आप जाइए और प्रभु की सुधि लीजिए।
किसका साहस है माता जो उन्हें दुख पहुंचाएगा? अच्छा माना, दुख आया भी तो दुखी नहीं कर पाएगा। आनंद कण के दर्शन कर सुख का स्वरूप बन जाएगा।
हे लखनलाल, मैं जान गई जो कुछ तुम करना चाहते हो है मन में कुछ और ही समाया, बस झूठा स्नेह दिखलाते हो।
आंखें ये फूट जाए जो बदनजर करूं, वो नरकवास पाप का चिंतन अगर करूं। श्रद्धा है दिल में आपकी, जगदम्बा मानकर चरणों को पूजता हूँ।
माता अगर मुझे मानते हो तो आज्ञा मानो माता की।
पवन देव तुम साक्षी हो, पक्षीगण हो गवाह तुम्ही। आज्ञा मानकर जाता हूँ, आप सावधान रहना और इस रेखा के भीतर ही रहना।
नारायण नारायण, भिक्षाम देही माई भिक्षाम। नाम रहे आला तेरा, भगवान तुझे सदा जीता रखे, सदा रहे बुलबाला तेरा।
प्रणाम योगीराज, आप जरा ठहरिए।
अरे ये कोई माया है क्या, किसी योगी का तेज, अथवा सीता है महाशक्ति? ये सर किसी सीता का है। हे देवी, हम बंदी भिक्षा ग्रहण नहीं करते। अगर हमें कुछ देना ही है तो इस रेखा के बाहर आकर दीजिए।
हे योगीराज, क्षमा कीजिए, रेखा ये छूट नहीं सकती। ये आन देवर लक्ष्मण की है जो मुझसे टूट नहीं सकती।
अच्छा ठीक है देवी, ये साधु तुम्हारे द्वार से आज खाली ही हाथ जाएगा। अलख निरंजन।
ठहरिए योगीराज, ये कंद फूल ग्रहण कीजिए।
मैं हूँ लंकापति रावण।
हे लक्ष्मण, ये क्या विपत्ति आ गई? रेखा टूटी हुई है और सीते का कोई पता नहीं।
मेरे अग्रज, ये मेरी भूल है। आपने मुझे आज्ञा दी थी उनकी रक्षा करने की, पर
जय श्री राम। प्रभु, माता सीता का हरण हुआ है। आपका दास हनुमान आज्ञा मांगता है। हम ढूंढ के रहेंगे माता को।
हनुमान चलो, जिस पापी ने ये नीच कार्य किया है उसका अंत करेंगे।
हे हनुमान, ये पत्थर डूब क्यों रहे हैं?
ये पत्थर तैरेंगे। ये पत्थर सिर्फ और सिर्फ श्री राम के नाम के महिमा के साथ ही तैर सकते हैं। जय श्री राम।
ये मर क्यों नहीं रहा है?
हे तुच्छ वनवासी, मैं तेरी ये तुच्छ बाणों से नहीं मरने वाला, मैं अमर हूँ।
श्री राम, आप इसे ब्रह्मास्त्र से इसकी नाभि में वार करें।
और इस प्रकार भगवान राम ने लंकापति रावण पर विजय प्राप्त की और मां सीता को वापस अयोध्या ले आए। उनकी वापसी पर पूरी अयोध्या नगरी खुशी से जगमगा उठी, जहां हर घर में दिए जलाए गए। तब से ही हम सब दिवाली का ये पवित्र त्योहार मना रहे हैं।
Now that was brilliant, yet thought-provoking. We would now like to invite our Rector Father, Joseph Sebastian S.J., to kindly share his words of inspiration and blessing. Father, the stage is all yours.
Respected Father Vice Chancellor, fathers, faculty members, staff, and my dear students. At the very outset, I would like to thank each one of you for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts on this auspicious day. The festival of Diwali has always left a profound impression on me, owing to its rich symbolism and radiant beauty. It does not proclaim a single all-conquering light that vanquishes darkness entirely. Rather, it humbly affirms that countless small lamps must be lit, each one a gesture of hope and courage to dispel the shadows of evil and ignorance. I have always felt called to be such a lamp, and each one of you must strive to be that little lamp, glowing with a purpose, ready to illuminate the world around you. This isn't just metaphorical. It is a spiritual truth that reminds us that even the smallest flame of awareness can dispel the deepest shadow. Diwali does not merely arrive as a festival. It arrives as a question, a challenge, a call. Then in this Diwali, let us pause not merely to celebrate, but to awaken. What does it truly mean to light a lamp? Is it only the flicker of flame that dances in clay balls? Or is it the quiet ignition of something deeper, a spark within each of us that dares to illuminate the world with truth, love and fellowship? We live in an age ablaze with artificial lights, yet dimmed by inner shadows, hatred, war, injustice, poverty. Diwali reminds us darkness is not a force in itself. It has no existence in itself. It is simply the absence of light. Likewise, the vacuum left by the absence of goodness is filled by evil. The void created by the lack of true scientific temper and wisdom is overtaken by ignorance. But when light shines, darkness vanishes. In the presence of genuine goodness, evil retreats. And when true knowledge arrives, ignorance is not merely displaced, it is transformed into understanding, into clarity, into the radiant promise of a more just and compassionate world. But what is this light we are called to carry? It is not just a flame in a diya. It is the truth, fire of truth, the glow of brotherhood, and the warmth of justice, the radiance of compassion, and the quiet brilliance of forgiveness. When we do not carry these lights within us, darkness invades our souls and spills into our homes and our communities, our society, and our world. Therefore, we must dispel the darkness of hate-mongering and divisive agendas. We must dispel the darkness of poisonous narratives that distort reality and fracture trust between individuals, communities, and nations. We must dispel the darkness that teaches us to fear the other rather than embrace them as brother or sister. All of us are poor travelers. None can reach our destiny alone. Therefore, how we travel together matters the most. And when we walk together across differences, across pain, across history, our shared life becomes a path forward. I am reminded of a story on this occasion. A spiritual guru asked his disciples, "When do you know that the night has ended and the morning has begun?" He asked, "Kab raat ka ant hua aur kab subah की शुरुआत हुई?" एक डिसाइपल ने कहा, "जब मैं काफी दूर से एक बकरी और एक कुत्ता में फर्क समझता हूँ, तो मुझे मालूम है कि रात का अंत हो रहा है और सुबह की शुरुआत हो रही है।" और दूसरे ने कहा, "कुछ दूर से, काफी दूर से मैं दो पेड़ों में अंतर बता सकता हूँ। एक कटहल पेड़ को एक आम के पेड़ से मैं उससे डिफरेंट कर सकता हूँ, उसे अलग बता सकता हूँ।" लेकिन मास्टर ने कहा, "नहीं, the real answer is this. When you can look into the eyes of a human being and recognize in them your brother or sister, when you can look into any other human being from any nation, any language, any religion, and see in that person your brother or sister, your sibling, it is then that we know that the darkness of our soul has ended and the light of true freedom and liberation has begun. Let us not be seduced by the brightness brightness that separates, competes, and blinds. Let us instead become two little lambs, radiant with humility, courage, and love. Let us be collaborators in hope, not competitors in fear. True light is not what falls on your eyes, but what light that emerges from within. It is perception, not projection. It is the clarity that comes when we cleanse the lens of our soul. So let us not merely light lamps tonight or on the Diwali day. Let us become them. Let us celebrate not just tradition, but transformation. Let our lives be diyas, small, steady flames that push back the night. And may this Diwali be not just a festival, but a beginning, a dawn, a real morning. Thank you. Shubh Diwali.
Thank you so much, Father, for your kind and inspiring words. I request you kindly continue on stage.
अब समय है उन छात्रों को सम्मानित करने का जिन्होंने अपनी मेहनत और लगन से हमारे महाविद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया है।
And to do the honor, we would like to invite Dr. Farhan Khalid, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, to kindly declare the winners for the certificate distribution.
Good morning, everyone. I am here to announce the names of the students who are going to receive certificates under different categories. Category 1, Kabir Club organized inter-department Rakhi making competition on 8th of August this year. The third position goes to Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. I request the participants Tamanna Bharti and Saif Ahmed to come up on the stage and receive their certificates. Please give them a big round of applause. The second position goes to Department of Business Administration. I request the participants Shivam Savera and Anjali Gupta to come up on the stage. And the first position goes to Department of Commerce. I request Nisha Priyadarshi and Akshit Raj to come up on the stage and receive the certificates. They deserve their loud applause. The second category is Kabir Club organized inter-department Rangoli making competition yesterday. The third position goes to Department of Business Administration. I request the participants Tanya, Rashri Durga, Ismeha Singh and Sabhyata to come up on the stage. Give them a big round of applause. They have done a very good job. The second position goes to Department of Computer Science. I request Sania Rahman, Prachi Verma, Sadiq Alam and Rahul to come up on the stage. And the winner of inter-department Rangoli making competition is Department of Commerce. I request Karima, Mahi Gautam, Amish Kumar and Akshita Kumari to come up on the stage. They deserve a big round of applause. Yesterday, Kabir Club had organized one more event, that is Inter-Mentoring Group Diya Decoration Competition. The third position goes to BBA IB second year. I request Kriti Ranjan and Udit Kumar to come up on the stage and receive the certificates. The second position goes to BCA 2B. I request Sunny Kumar and Priyanka Yadav to come up on the stage and receive the certificates. And the first position goes to BCP 3. I request Nisha Priyadarshi and Lucky Makaria to come up on the stage and receive the certificates. Please give them a big round of applause. The last category is Xavier Theatre Club organized a 3-day theatre workshop Samarpan. The following students have participated in the event. I request all of you to come up on the stage. Satvik Raj, Lucky Rani, Ellen Francis, Sneha Singh, Zoya Hayat Bakshi, Humaira Ehsan, Mohammad Shahnawaz Hussain, Kushi Kumari, Komal Anand, Shrishti Sharma, Alex Rana, Ankita Anand, Priyanshu Raj, Priyanka Kumari, Rishi Magnum, Rajshri Durga and Nitin Kumar. I request the treasurer of the theatre club, Rajshri Durga, to come forward and receive the certificate on behalf of the team. A big round of applause to them. Congratulations to all of you. That's all from my side. Wish you all happy Deepavali and Chhath Puja. Thank you. Thank you, Father.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all the winners. Your efforts truly shine bright like Diwali diyas.
Let's now take a short visual journey through Diwali short video, capturing the life, emotions and memories that make this festival so special.
I request the technical team to please play the video.
Do you know why Diwali is celebrated on the darkest night of the year? It's time you knew the true story behind the Festival of Lights. The Ramayana, one of the greatest spiritual epics of all time. While the story has many layers of meaning, at its core, it represents every person's struggle to know themselves. To put it simply, the message of Ramayana will help you to understand how to live a better life. So how does it do that? Diwali is a story of a battle between Lord Ram and Ravan. But this isn't just a battle that happened thousands of years ago. This battle is happening right now inside each and every one of us. It starts with Lord Ram, who represents our highest self, our divine soul, the infinite life force that lives inside everyone and in all places. Our soul, Ram, lives in Ayodhya, the place of no conflict. It means our soul lives in peace. It isn't concerned with trivial things like, how do I look today? What do others think of me? How much money do I have? What's my relationship status? Or what's my next career move? But in the story, everything changes upon Ram's marriage to Sita, which represents the union between our soul and the human body. As soon as that happens, they are banished from Ayodhya. And in our own lives, whenever we focus our thoughts on the body rather than our soul, then we too lose our peace and we're banished into the jungle of the world. Even in the jungle, Sita continues to meditate on Ram. But one day, Sita sees a golden deer and gets totally enamored by it, just like our eyes and senses are always distracted by worldly things. And when she stops meditating on Ram and goes after the deer, then she's trapped by a demon called Ravan, who represents our ego. And he's depicted as having 10 faces and 20 arms, which means that our ego is not so easy to identify. and it often comes in disguises in many different forms. So the battle begins between Ram and Ravana, and eventually Ram is victorious. He manages to defeat Ravana and bring his soulmate Sita back home. Why do we really celebrate Diwali on the darkest night of the year? It's so that we can remind ourselves to break free from our own dark habits, our worldly obsessions, egos, self-importance, insecurities, and all our inner demons. This year, as well as lighting candles and fireworks, let's learn and share the deeper meaning of this celebration. Make this Diwali a challenge for us all to let our own divine nature shine as bright as possible, so that we too can become a beacon of light and help those who are still in darkness.
Each story of Diwali speaks of one truth: that darkness can never overpower light. The darkness may be outside, in the form of cruelty, ignorance, or ego, but sometimes the darkness lies within, in our fears, doubts, and anger. Lighting a lamp is not just a ritual, it's a spiritual act, a reminder that you are the light. When we light a diya, we are saying to the universe, I choose to shine. And when millions of people across the world light their lamps together, it's as if the universe itself awakens in radiance. May this light continue within you. For more journey.
That was such a warm and beautiful compilation. It truly brought out the festive spirit.
Now, it's time to fill this hall with some musical magic.
सही कहा, त्योहार बिना संगीत के अधूरा है। तो तैयार हो जाइए एक सुरीले सफर के लिए, जो आपके चेहरे पर मुस्कान और दिल में एक खूबसूरत एहसास हो जाएगा।
Bye.
The harmony and rhythm were just perfect. Let's appreciate them once again with a huge round of applause.
And now comes the most awaited part of today's celebration, the lighting of diyas. Lighting a diya is a spiritual act that represents kindly self-awareness, enlightenment, and the triumph of good over evil. These 16 diyas symbolize hope, positivity, and the victory of light over darkness.
बिल्कुल, एक छोटा सा दिया भी अंधकार मिटा सकता है. It embodies hope, wisdom, and spiritual awakening, connecting individual to their inner selves and the divine. और आज इस 16 दियों की रोशनी से हमारा मंच और दिल दोनों जगमगाएंगे. वैसे तुम्हें पता है?
क्या सुहानी?
दिए हैं, ये हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा ही बनाए गए हैं.
अरे वाह, इतने खूबसूरत दिए जेवियर्स के स्टूडेंट ने बनाए हैं.
बिल्कुल. तो आइए इस पवित्र पल के साक्षी बने. Now I request the president of Kabir Club to bring the candle for lighting of the earth.
We would now like to invite the dignitaries and members to light the diyas and illuminate the stage with positivity.
Father Rector,
Father Vice Chancellor and Principal, Dr. Farhan Khalid, Mentor, Kabir Club,
Father Asa Ashwin, Guide, Kabir Club,
Mr. B.N. Chaudhary, Member, Kabir Club,
Dr. Rachna Thakkar, Chair, Culture Committee,
Dr. Manish Kumar, Member, Kabir Club,
Dr. Upasna, Member, Kabir Club,
Miss Aisha,
Miss Priyanka Singh,
Student Council Presidents, Dhamraj Kumar, Vice President, Ankita Singh,
Mr. Anil,
With this, we mark the end of the celebration.
I would like to call Kanhaiya Singh for the vote of thanks. Mrs. Suhani,
This is Nair
signing off.
Every act of kindness, a reminder that goodness never fails. It only multiplies. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology and Xavier University, Patna, I, Kanhaiya Singh from BCA 2A, feel truly honored to deliver the vote of thanks for today's event. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Rector Father Joseph Sebastian S.J., Vice Chancellor and Principal, Father Dr. Martin Porras S.J., Registrar and Vice Principal, Father Dr. Sherry George S.J., along with our esteemed guests, members of the management, respected professors, and our wonderful audience for gracing this occasion with your valuable presence. A sincere word of appreciation to the Kabir Club for organizing this beautiful event and making it a memorable one. Our thanks also go to Dr. Rakesh Kumar Pathak, Dean of Activities, for guiding and curating the event with such excellence. We are deeply grateful to the members of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication for capturing the day through their photography and videography. A heartfelt thanks to the PCR team for managing the sound, lighting and technical setup so smoothly throughout the program. I would also like to appreciate Dr. Prakash Upadhyay, Chair, State Management, and his dedicated team for the seamless stage arrangements. A warm thanks to Dr. Manish Kumar, Chair, Discipline Committee, and his team for ensuring that the event flowed effortlessly. Special appreciation to our anchors of the day, Suhani and Nair, for conducting the program with energy and grace. Finally, I extend my gratitude to all the technical and support staff whose behind-the-scenes efforts made this event a success. And above all, a big thank you to each one of you present here. Your encouragement and presence truly added joy to the celebration. Thank you all. Jai Xavier, Jai Bharat.